Have you noticed the viral trend of humanoid animals taking over TikTok? It's everywhere. And if you're here, you want to know exactly how to create those incredible videos. Let's watch a quick one to understand what I'm talking about. The best part? I'm going to show you step by step how to make these videos without making you to go subscribe to any course and using some very powerful AI tools that anyone can access. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact tools and techniques to create these videos that can get you thousands and millions of views on TikTok. Plus, I'm also going to show you proof from my own account that this trend actually works. And also at the end, there's a special bonus trick to make sure that the videos stand out, so make sure to stick around for that. The first step is to head over to TikTok and find some content that you want to get inspiration from. For example, we want to create a video about countries as prisoners or mafia. We search on TikTok, countries as mafia. You can see that the first videos are with these animals because, as I said, this is a huge trend at the moment. So what we want to do next is head over to this video, for example, and take screenshots of all these images one by one. Once we have the screenshots we want to take as inspiration, then we're going to head over to ChatGPT. Here we need to upload the screenshots that we got from the video and write this prompt. So we want ChatGPT to analyze these images and create similar prompts for our content based on what we are going to do. So I'm going to write, analyze these images, and give me 5 prompts with humanoid animals inspired by the images attached, and give me 5 states that are represented by these animals. Make the prompt detailed so I can get high quality and realistic image. We're going to press enter and see what ChatGPT is going to come up with. Great, so we all know that, for example, the Florida panther, which is a good sample to represent a state by the animal. Texas has a long wolf, or for Texas, for example, we can do a bull. What we can do is just say, change number 3 for Texas to bull instead of lone wolf. And we're going to have an update from ChatGPT, changing the lone wolf to a bull. Okay, so next step is copy these prompts that ChatGPT gave us and go over to Midjourney and paste the prompt. And at the end of the prompt, add AR916, so we get the format for TikTok, then we press enter. And this is what we got from that prompt. These, to be honest, are some pretty sick images. For example, this one, I like this a lot. So I'm going to download this one. Now, what we're going to need to do is go to Kling AI. So this is Kling AI. We're going to use this to animate the image that we just got from Midjourney. So what we need to do is click over to AI videos and go to image to video. Now here we're going to upload the image that we just got from Midjourney. And under here you have the space to write a prompt. I usually don't write the prompts because Kling AI can come up with some pretty interesting animation for these kind of images. I only give a prompt if there is something very specific that I want to mention. So if you don't want to write the prompt, then you can press generate. Usually it costs 35 credits to animate one image, and I believe you get 80 free credits daily, which means you can do around 2 animations per day. But if you wanted to make more images within a day, then you can go and subscribe to one of their plans. I will leave the link on the description for Kling AI and all the other tools I use. Okay, so now let's hit generate. Okay, so this is what we got. This is pretty cool, to be honest. We can see the panther here breathing. We can also see some movement on the behind. So in my opinion, this is pretty good animation, and we can download this one. So I'm going to press the download button. Now the last part, this is the part where we're going to edit the video in Premiere Pro or CapCut or whatever software you're using to edit your videos. This is a free stock images website where you can find the flags for the countries that you're going to do. For example, let's say you wanted to do United States or India, or you wanted to do France. All you need to do is come here and write, for example, USA flag PNG, and here you go. You can use any of these because these are free of royalty, so you won't get any copyrights from using this stuff. For example, this one is pretty cool. This is just some extra info on where you can get some extra items that I use for my videos. And now we are here on Premiere Pro. The first thing that I did was add the music that I'm going to use. You can download it on the description. This is the viral music that these videos with humanoids are using. And the next thing that we're going to do is import our AI animation, resize it on the effect controls so we don't see the Kling AI 1.0, and we add some text. For example, countries as prisoners. Then we need to match the images with the music that you have. So it changes on the beat. It's every 5 seconds. You can add extra effects, for example, impacts, shakes, or something that you might be more familiar with, and you repeat the same steps for all the videos you generated till the first minute. For myself, I do a 1-minute video because I have monetized my channel on Creator Rewards program, so I want to make money from each video that I'm posting, but in a minute I will share more insights with you about my TikTok account and how fast I got monetized. If you are outside of US, you need to create an account from US so you can monetize it, or click the link on the description to buy one already monetized so you can start making money directly. But yeah, pretty much this is it about creating the videos. Is not very complicated, especially for those who are already familiar with Premiere Pro. You just need to add some cool effects on the captions, add some cool transition effects, and that should be it. But if you have any question about this, don't hesitate to comment down below and I'll make sure to answer any question you might have regarding this video. So in the beginning, I said that I will give you an extra tip, and this is if you want to step your game up. So this is Magnifique. So what this does is it enhances your images. For example, this one, this is how it looked before it was enhanced. And after you can see the details that it gives, the clarity that it gives and everything, it's very, very cool. If you want to give more detail to your images, then this is the tool that I suggest. This niche is really the best at the moment. So don't let the moment slip and go try it out. I myself have monetized my brand new channel within 10 days, and now after a month, I am at around 60,000 followers. If you follow the steps that I showed you, you will get very interesting videos. As you can see, I have published my first video on the 21st of September and have managed to join Creator Rewards program on the 10th of November. All it takes is just one video to go viral, and that will do the work for you. This is a very good chance to make some really good money with just a little work and a little investment on the beginning, but believe me guys, it's worth it. If you are creative enough and can come up with new ideas every time, the videos will always work, so give it a try. And there you have the step-by-step guide on how to create these viral video. We are going to update you every time there is a new viral niche going on or anything new on the AI niche, so we can all take action on time and make some good money from the virility. If you appreciate the info that I did for you guys, make sure to subscribe, like, and leave a comment down below with your opinion about this video, if it was helpful or not, and we will see you guys soon on the next viral niche video. Oh, and if any of you try my technique and it works, please save the video so you can come back and comment your success. That would be awesome to inspire all the others to take actions. Best of luck to you all.